turn pain into power. Life is full of challenges. At times, pain feels overwhelming, leaving us broken, lost, or defeated. But within every hardship lies a hidden opportunity, a chance to rise stronger than before. Turn pain into power is not just a quote. It's a mindset, a call to action to transform our struggles into strength, our wounds into wisdom, and our heartbreak into hope. Pain is a universal experience. Whether it comes from failure, rejection, loss, or betrayal, we all face moments that test our spirit. But what defines us is not the pain itself. It's what we do with it. Do we let it consume us? Or do we use it as fuel to push forward, to rebuild, to grow? Turning pain into power means refusing to be a victim. It means standing up even when life knocks you down and saying, "I am stronger because of this." Think of the world's greatest leaders, athletes, artists, and innovators. Many of them faced unimaginable struggles. Oprah Winfrey endured poverty and abuse, yet turned her pain into a powerful career, inspiring millions. Nelson Mandela spent 27 years in prison, but emerged as a symbol of peace and reconciliation. J.K. Rowling was rejected by multiple publishers before Harry Potter became a global phenomenon. Their stories teach us that pain does not have to be the end. It can be the beginning of something extraordinary. Turning pain into power starts with mindset. Instead of asking, "Why is this happening to me?" ask, "What can I learn from this?" Every setback carries a lesson. Every failure brings insight. When we shift our perspective from suffering to growth, pain becomes a teacher, not an enemy. It also requires resilience. The journey won't be easy. You may face days where giving up feels tempting. But remember, every time you choose to rise, you're building strength. Every time you keep going despite the pain, you're building character. Power doesn't come from comfort. It's forged in the fires of adversity. And lastly, turning pain into power means sharing your story. When you use your struggles to uplift others, you create a ripple effect. You show others that healing is possible, that hope is real. Your scars become symbols of victory, not shame. Your voice becomes a beacon for those still trapped in darkness. So whatever pain you're facing today, know this: it won't last forever. You have the power to transform it. Don't let it break you. Let it build you. Don't hide from it. Embrace it. Feel it. Learn from it. And then rise above it, stronger, wiser, more powerful than you ever imagined. Because the most beautiful stories are born from broken places. The strongest warriors carry the deepest scars, and the greatest victories come after the hardest battles. Turn your pain into power, and watch how your life transforms.